Hi all, welcome to another video of this van build series. In this video I'm going to go through the installation of the sound deadening. I didn't have any video footage of this one, so it's going to be a short one. It comes in boxes. I only needed one box really. I think that's all you need for the van. You don't need much of this stuff, it's really heavy. And you don't need to put it on everything. It comes in these sheets like this. Peel backing on it. I think it's beautiful. That's what it feels like anyway. Really easy to apply. Just get a pair of scissors, cut it to the size you want. Peel off the backing, stick it. And then you just get a roller and just roll it in place. In fact, I don't really think you need the roller. It's because it will stick. It sticks pretty well. In fact, once it's stuck on there, it's very, very hard to get off. As I said, this stuff's really, really heavy. So you want to try and not use too much of it. You don't really need it. Just put it on things like the wheel arches, the window areas where the windows are supposed to be. It's just like large open panels. It does a pretty good job of sound deadening, but I found overall it didn't really reduce the amount of noise in the van. I found actually installing the floor insulation and the bulkhead wall actually did a far better job of actually reducing the noise. Anyway, like I said, short and sweet. Sorry I don't have anything else to add. However, if you want to see a more detailed application, I suggest you head over to Greg Virgoe's channel, as he has a more in-depth video he has just released. The link's below. In the next video, I will go through installing the OEM roof rails. In the meantime, you can also check out our previous video on the build and the design plan. Bye for now.